we can introduce the work for making words to child when he has done tracing of at least 12 sandpaper letters, including 8 consonants and 4 vowels. Total number of 12 sandpaper letters. When the child has done tracing with those, then you can introduce this box for the making of words. You will not wait for the whole sandpaper letters to finish by the child. At least he should do work with 12 sandpaper letters, and after that you will start giving the child making of words with the help of those letters which he has already done in tracing, which he has already mastered in tracing of sandpaper letters exercise. Okay, so if I am taking 3 at one time, we can give the child making of 3 words at one time in one presentation. The easiest words in English language are 3-lettered words with 3 sounds. 3-lettered words with 3 sounds are the easiest words for reading, for writing, for any purpose. When in the beginning, when the child has to work with the words, easiest words for him are 3-lettered words with 3 sounds. 3-lettered words with 3 sounds means the words following C, V, C scheme. Like in the beginning, consonant will come, at the end, consonant will come, and in the middle, vowel will come. Like in cat, like in rat, mat, fat, sun, bun, hen. Okay, log, lid, bin. So these are 3 letters with 3 sounds. All these words, all the letters are saying their separate sounds. But if you will consider cow, or you will consider car, these are not the 3-lettered words with 3 sounds. Okay, because the number of letters is 3 in car and in cow, but the sounds are 2. Sounds are 2. Like in cow, k, ow, 2 sounds are present. O and W are not saying their separate sounds in the word cow. And in the word car, k is saying separate sound, but A and R both are not saying their separate sounds. These are producing sound together. So in car, 2 sounds will come, k, r, car. And in cow, 2 sounds are produced, k, ow, cow. So these are not easiest words. These are difficult words because digraphs are present there in those words. We are not taking those words in the beginning in the child's work related to words. So it is decided that 3-lettered words with 3 sounds we have to take in the beginning for the child's work. Later on, we can give the child more difficult words in making with this movable alphabets, even like 4-lettered words with 4 sounds, like drum, basket, 6 letters with 6 sounds, or the words with digraphs, or the words with trigraphs later on. But randomly it will be done with the child. Gradually difficulties will be added in making words. So in exercise number 1, we are starting the work with 3 words, and these words are 3-lettered with 3 sounds. I have selected jug, I have selected mug, I have selected peg. These letters, all the letters which are present in these words, the child should already mastered in tracing of letters. Previous knowledge of the child is very important to consider here for giving the child work in the beginning. Side by side, you will keep on giving the child sandpaper letter exercise. So number of number of letters for tracing will go on increasing day by day, and side by side you can increase number of words in movable alphabets for the purpose of making words. सारा का सारा आपने चेक करना है चाइल्ड का प्रीवियस नॉलेज कितना है. आपने स्टार्ट में वो वाले उनके 3 वर्ड्स लिए जिनके लेटर्स चाइल्ड ट्रेस कर चुका है. कोई भी ऐसा इनके अंदर लेटर नहीं होना चाहिए जो कि चाइल्ड ने ट्रेस ना किया हो. ठीक है. फिर आपने जो है और क्या आपने कंसिडर करना है कि जैसे जैसे चाइल्ड का सैंड पेपर लेटर्स का वर्क जो है वो उसमें लेटर्स इंक्रीज होते जा रहे हैं ट्रेसिंग के, तो आप साथ में मूवेबल अल्फाबेट्स की एक्टिविटी भी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, और आप उसमें भी फिर वो वाले वर्ड्स इंक्रीज करते जाएं जिनके लेटर्स जो है चाइल्ड करता जा रहा है, वो जो प्रीवियस नॉलेज में आते जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो हमें ये दोनों काम देख के चार्ट को डिसाइड करके चार्ट के सामने वर्ड्स लेकर आने हैं फॉर मेकिंग के हियर। The procedure which we use here for making words will make the child independent for this word. इस वर्क के लिए चाइल्ड को इंडिपेंडेंट करता है ये वाला प्रोसीजर जो मैं अभी आपके साथ करूंगी। पाकिजान तो कहे ना कि आप आईडी चेंज, आईडी पर नेम लिखा करें ना। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मुझे तो कभी मैंने नहीं किया। उनने कहे हैं कि वो आईडी चेंज नहीं कर सकती, वो चेंज करेंगी तो फिर हो सकता है ना। खैर, चले सर को बुला लें आप थोड़ा सा, सर को बताएं ना तो वो उनका मसला हल करते हैं। अच्छा, अभी हमारे पास ये है जग, मग और फेग, ये तीन मैंने लिए हैं। आई एम पुटिंग दीज हियर बैक इन द कंटेनर and I will make the child to sit on my left side. Introduction of the box will be given at the cupboard. After taking consent, you will introduce the child over there. Mat आपको spread out करने का पता है. You will bring the material with the help of the child. Place it here. Lid you are going to place under the box, and the box is towards the top left corner of the mat, towards the child side. Child is sitting on the left side, so towards the top area, that is towards the child side, left top corner of the mat, you will place this box, okay, and okay, you will start the work with the child. Would you come here? एक बच्चा आ जाए यहाँ पर. When you are going to start the work, you can check the child's knowledge, and then even to make the child how to take out these letters from their compartments and how to put these back in their respective compartments. So for that purpose, in the beginning उनके child से कुछ letters जो है बोल के कह दें कि give me that one, give me that one, इस तरह से करके, ताकि वो child जो है खुद से निकाले भी और रखे भी. Okay, would you give me j, j. Would you give me just sound? Okay, thank you. Now put it back in its compartment. क्या कह रहे हैं सर? अच्छा, इसमें नहीं आ सकती. Okay, would you give me g? Okay. Now put it back in its container. Would you give me a? 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 Look at me. Look at me. A? A? Nice. Put it back in its compartment. Okay. Would you give me ah, 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 ah? Okay. If the child is forgetting, you can show the child its action of that sound. Okay, nice. Put it back in its container. So after doing this, now we are going to start the work. Would you tell me what is this? Jug. Okay. Now I'm going to say the word jug, and you will listen very carefully. Jug, 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 jug. Okay, the directress will say the word in a way that she is going to stress on the beginning sound while saying it. Okay, and the child is only listening it. Okay, now you will ask the child, what sound did you hear in the beginning? You have to tell me only sound. Listen it again. I'm repeating it. Jug, 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 jug. What sound did you hear in the j sound? Nice. Okay, take out. Very good. Okay. Can I move it a little above? Little towards the top? It will become difficult for putting all the words here. Okay. Okay, so I am repeating it again. You will listen to me very carefully, okay? This time the directress will repeat the word in a way that she is going to isolate the beginning sound, but she will stress on the middle sound and ending sound will be produced together. She will not break the middle and the ending sound, okay? J, ag, j, ag, j, ag, j, ag, j, ag. What sound did you hear after j? Ah, nice. Take out. So the child is doing when you are repeating the word with the child, saying this in this way, the child is looking at your lips. The movement of your lips can guide the child to pick out that sound. Okay, that becomes very easy for the child to pick out. Okay, I'm repeating it again. You will listen very carefully. Okay. This time, directress is going to say the word in a way that she is going to say the word as a whole. She will not break any sound. And at the end, she has to stress on the ending sound. Okay. Jug, 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 jug. What sound did you hear at the end? G sound. Okay, take out G sound. So this is jug. This is the method that will make the child independent for picking out the sounds which are in the beginning, middle, or at the end. Okay. So this is very important method in Montessori system of education. You are not telling the child yourself that beginning sound is j, middle sound is a, ending sound is g. You are not isolating yourself j, g, but you are saying the word in a way that stressing on the beginning sound, then stressing on the middle sound. Break will come when you are asking the child middle sound. Okay, but in the for the beginning sound and for the ending sound, you have to say the word as whole. पूरा का पूरा बोलना है और चाइल्ड ने खुद जो है उसको पिक आउट करना है. ठीक है. Okay, so now the next word. Would you tell me what is this? Mug. Okay, I am going to say the word. You will listen very carefully. Mug, 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 mug. What sound did you hear in the beginning? Sound. Okay, nice. Take out. Give me. Okay, nice. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. Ag, 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 ag. What sound did you hear after sound? Ah? Okay, take out ah sound. Very good. Okay, I am repeating it. You will listen to me very carefully. Mug, 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 mug. What sound did you hear at the end? G sound. Okay, take out G. Nice. Okay, so this is mug. What is this? Pack. Okay, I'm going to say the word. I'm going to repeat its name. You will listen to me very carefully. Peg, 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 peg. What sound did you hear in the beginning? P sound. Nice. Take out. Okay. Now listen to me again very carefully. Okay. Okay. P egg, p egg, p egg, p egg, p egg, p egg, p egg. What sound did you hear after p sound? Egg sound. Okay, take out. Very nice. Okay, now again listen to me very carefully. Peg, 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 peg. What sound did you hear at the end? G sound. Take out G sound. Okay, this is peg. Nice. Ma'am, stop कर लें recording. So at one time, you can give the child making of 3 words. Next time,